Well, hello, and welcome back. Welcome to my lemon spread video. Bit excited about this one. It's that time of year, my lemons are ready, and I'm going to make up heaps of lemon spreads today. So first thing we're going to need is our jars. Now these jars here are a 1 cup jar or a 250ml jar with just a normal screw top lid. I like getting these ones from Big W. They work out to $1 a jar. They're $6 for a pack, and they deliver as well for like $9 anywhere. So yeah, we need 4 of them. And we want to wash them really well and then rinse them out. We want to fill them up with hot water from the tap, and then we want to boil our kettle. When we're just about to start cooking them, we'll tip out the hot water from the tap and then fill them up with boiling water from the kettle. That gets them sterilised and nice and hot for when we finish doing our lemon spread, and then we can tip them out quickly and we put our lemon spread in there. Bit exciting. Okay, so first of all, what we're going to need to cook with is a saucepan with a heat-proof bowl in it. Alright, so try and find yourself something that sits in there nicely. Now I'm going to 3/4 of the way fill it with water, put it on the stove to boil, and we're going to cook it on top of the stove, on top of the boiling water, alright? So you've got to get them ready to go. Then the next thing we need is 2 tablespoons of lemon rind. Now lemon rind is the lemon skin. So I use one of these little graters, they're brilliant for it. And when you do grate it, you only want to grate just the yellow off. You don't want to get into the white because that's really sour. It took me 2 lemons to get 2 tablespoons of lemon rind. Then what we're going to do is we're going to juice 1 cup of lemon juice. Look at that. It smells amazing. So I just use my cheap little juicer that I've got. Once I've started squeezing them, it took me 3 lemons to get 1 cup, but they are lemons off my tree. So if you're getting them from a store, probably get a heap more because they're usually not as juicy. Now once you're squeezing it, make sure you use a strainer, okay, because we want pure lemon juice without any of the bits and pieces in it that get in it. Right, the next thing we want to do is we want to put our water on and get it start boiling. Okay, then we want to chop up 120 grams of butter and get that ready. Get 2 cups of sugar ready. We want 6 eggs in the bowl that we're cooking with. Whisk them up. Whisk them up. Good. Alright, add our 2 cups of sugar. Whisk again. Probably can't hear this again there. Sorry. Add our, where are you going? Lemon juice. Quick whisk again. A bit slower because the lemon juice is more water based. Alright, then we put our lemon rind in. Mix that through. Oh, look at that nice dark yellow colour already. Oh, beautiful. Smells amazing. Okay, now what we do is we chuck our butter in there and we put it on our boiling water and we stir. And we stir and we stir and we stir. So we'll stir it for a good 10 minutes until it starts doing something, alright? Constantly stir it. So get yourself a seed and sit there and stir away. And I'll show you in a minute exactly what it looks like when it's ready to take off. I'll stir with this for about 5 minutes and then I'll swap it over for a spoon because you need the spoon to be able to tell if it's ready or not. And on the stove she goes. So I usually put my timer on for 10 minutes. That way, when 10 minutes up, I know to start like paying more attention because you're just stirring and stirring and stirring. After about 10 minutes, it will start to thicken. See how it coats the back of the spoon? Are you in focus? Alright, and it only drips a little bit, but it actually coats the whole back of the spoon. Once you put it in, you realise like how runny it is to start with. As soon as it coats the back of the spoon, so after 10 minutes it starts thickening. Takes about 3 minutes to thicken properly, 3 to 4 minutes. Until you get it exactly like this. Alright, where you put it in and it only drips a bit, but it's actually coating the back of the spoon. Okay, as soon as you get it like that, take it straight off. Alright, now we're going to empty our jars out. Hot, hot, hot. Shake the crap out of them. and get them all ready. Give you mix another quick stir and start pouring it in. Now they won't fill to the top, so I'll do them just over that first rim there, and then just keep going back and topping them up until you get them all roughly even. So I filled them just a little bit too full, and I only got like a little bit less than that one. It doesn't matter, I'll smash that one. Okay, so as soon as we pour them in and they're nice and hot, shake the lids off, and we want to put the lid straight on and do them up. So the heat seals the lids on for you. Boom, there you have it, my friends. Homemade lemon spread. It's pretty easy, eh? It doesn't take long at all, it's awesome. Alright, as soon as they go completely cold, you put them in the fridge and you store them in the fridge. They last you a month, and then after that they're still good, they just slowly lose their lemon taste. So they never last more than a month anyway. I'm going to make them up all day long and hand them out to everyone. I love it. Well, thanks heaps for watching, you guys. Have yourselves an awesome day. You know me. I will be back. Bye.